Oh Elvis, here we are again, hazards on, slowly trickling our way away. Dumb. Oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh mate, you gotta watch our YouTube.
I never know what it's called.
Oh, Bad Fab.
New plan. The plan is doing
More fuel.
more fuel because quite clearly it's
It
not
needs
getting.
more.
It needs more, and it's not getting enough. So we, Dylan also did some research. Instead of us just trying to guess and hurry up some of this, he also did a little bit of research, and it turns out.
I'll show you.
This
little actuator here is negatively pressured, and that runs the whole secondary jet. But now with cable tied her closed, so you can see it actually actuates that second jet.
Yeah.
So we've got more fuel already.
Yeah. So now I'm almost thinking that's why it wasn't. That's why when it was getting to like halfway through the rev range, it started to lay over.
Yeah, because it was only running on that primary
Yeah, the
jet.
primary
The secondary,
jet.
I don't think ever kicked in at all.
Well, because there's a vacuum actuator and it's seeing boost, so I'm
Yeah.
guessing that's just holding
Did
it closed. So that's not going to do anything.
And
And then,
So
so
we're adding extra fuel, and that's going to be heaps,
Yeah,
way too much.
way
So
too
how are we
much.
going to lean it out?
oh wow, where is it? Yeah.
Oh, what are these,
Is that one
boys?
of those? Yeah.
NOS, mate.
NOS. So, and we've also got the little fogging jet nozzle doohickey.
So we'll chuck that
We'll
nozzle.
put that down there, down in front of the turbo, and we'll also take this line
To
here,
that bad boy.
that line there, to go on
back
the
up on there.
back on the washer bottle, and that can go straight down to the same place. And then we also
Oh yeah.
good old Dick Smith,
Yeah, online.
25 bucks.
25 bucks.
25 bucks.
7 psi fuel pump, and that bad boy could go in there.
Just right in there. We don't even have to take that out. We can just like
Just move.
move those lines into there and there and there,
Yeah.
and then it just needs positive and a negative. But I'm guessing we send the
I'd
The negative-
positive can go to the little fuel.
positive or the negative.
I don't know. We're gonna have to.
Well, we have to have another look at the instructions, but yeah. So we're going to wire that in real quick, but that's all right because we've got heaps of wire. So we can borrow some of that from the boost gate, and
Then we're away.
is that all we got to do?
I think that's the plan for today.
Okay, sweet. And then
all
we'll
goes
go.
well,
Yeah,
We'll take that west.
Yeah.
So
So-
she can choose her own boost.
yeah. And then we'll put the boost gauge onto the front of the turbo just so we can
We
know
can
how
see
much
exactly
it makes
how much it makes.
before it goes kabamo. And
We're away.
we're away. So yeah,
Sweet.
we'll get into it. Okay, well now we'll just.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So
We have put the belt on.
the belt. Oh yes,
Oh.
new belt.
Probably give it a bleed. I'll do that.
Oh,
so I
yeah.
remember.
We put the new belt because that came off last time.
Freshy.
Fresh heat. Got that hooked up. A little bit of 100 plus in there.
Yeah.
Fuel. And then down there is
Daniel.
the old the jet for the NOS, the blue one, and then the window washer nozzle is the fuel. So yeah, that's pretty good to go. So we're not going to hook the fuel pump up just yet because we want to see what it's going to do with just that. But we do have a funny suspicion that if it does, well, we know that if it goes over the 4 psi or whatever the fuel pressure is that this makes, it's no longer going to be getting fuel from the carburetor. It's only going to be getting it from the washer bottle. So we just want to see what happens. But now, also now that we've got the secondaries open, that's like another more fuel.
For sure.
So, and then we've got the NOS line goes up and around and in the door. Oh, it's raining and the window's open.
Oh no.
Oh no. But yeah, so we'll warm her up, go from there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Why? What's happening? Why is that smoking?
It needs some knots.
I don't know, that's not ideal. Probably wouldn't be touching today. Let's get a mad shock.
It's quite warm.
Yeah.
It's soft a little bit.
It might have been steam.
Yeah.
No. No, it might not be. Who knows? Maybe the battery's done. Alright, sorry about the beeping. I don't know how to turn it off. I'll have a look next time. But yeah.
Let's go. Surely she starts.
Surely.
We're live.
We're live. Alright, see how this goes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is no washer bottle.
Yeah, no washer bottle, just the secondaries working this time,
Yeah.
mate. Yeah, sweet. Wasn't in reverse.
Looked like it.
It looked like it to me as well. Roll into it. Yeah, like slowly roll into it. Yeah, yeah. And then it should. Go into second and then see what it does.
Just slow roll.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bit of smoke. Yeah.
See it.
Yeah. Slow roll. Yeah. Slow. Wait for that little bit more. And it's only still getting 3 pounds. Maybe try a first gear pull. That's definitely, I don't know if there's too much fuel or not enough.
It smoked out heaps back there.
Yeah, so I'm guessing it's too much fuel. Nah. Maybe try roll, yeah, just go first and slowly roll into it. Is it on? Yeah, I mean, sweet. I was gonna say that went quiet for a second. Maybe just like really slowly, like. No, it's maybe just, you know, when it first starts to break up, just hold it there for a little bit, like just. Yeah. A little bit more gas. Yeah, a little bit more. A little bit more. Still only getting 3 or 4 pounds. I reckon that wastegate's opening.
Oh, do we have tools time to do that?
We just gotta pop the line off. Like take the boost line off the
Wastegate entirely.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like lots of one drip.
I feel like we need to fix that drain issue.
That dripping.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. It's not gonna be right on this side, but I just want to make sure there's at least oil on the dipstick. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still pretty good. Okay, so what would we like to see? Just the wastegate line pulled off entirely? And just yeah.
See if it goes past 4 pounds.
And just scream at me if it hits 30.
yeah. So that means we just got to take that boost line there.
Yeah.
Oh, where is it? There. I'll put that thing up. So I'm not holding the on it with my head. Yeah, we need to hook that there up straight to the front of the turbo.
And then there's definitely enough fuel.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll do
that real quick. Don't look at that. All that. I feel like the boost tube's popped off again.
Bro, that felt worse. No, it felt like it was still boosting, but something felt like, I don't know how to describe it.
Let's have a look. Pop the bonnet and turn it off. Yeah. Oh no. I think now it's got
That's
oh, that's because the turbo's blown up.
Oh yeah.
That's why it's running like a bag of shit.
She's eating oil.
Yeah, it's eating oil.
That makes sense for why we're not making much progress, guys. Unfortunately, she's eating our poor turbo design.
All right, now we'll make a new turbo setup.
we'll
Okay,
refine
so
it,
this is not
guys.
so like DIY anymore, I don't think.
If we want to do it, we've actually got to do a half decent job.
Yeah.
We've got to put the effort in.
We're gonna do it properly. You can't just slap some stuff together and make it work. And you can't just flip these manifolds, I don't think, so can you?
They've
Nah.
even studs have got two at the top, one at the bottom. I
So
think.
you can't just flip that. So we're gonna have to do some cutting and welding and put the turbo up top so it actually drains properly and doesn't
Blow the
fill up
seals out.
with oil and blow the seals out.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, it also made so much boost that it popped the
Pop the tube off.
tube off.
Huh. Dumb. Just on the roll of things.
Okay. Let's
We will refine
well,
this once more.
once more. We'll just have to. I reckon what we do is we weld. Oh, I don't know. How are we gonna get
a lip of something on
yeah,
there to grab
a
onto?
better lip to grab onto? Yeah.
We will.
Maybe we'll make a hat that we can screw into there, and then that tube just pumps straight into the side of it.
Yeah, I was originally thinking of a metal hat.
Yeah.
And even though there's going to be a tiny little boost leak potentially, we could put some silicone or something.
Yeah, we'll just once it's on, we'll silicone it off.
Yeah,
Like
quite
silicone
literally.
around the bolt.
And that tiny little boost leak's going to be nothing compared to. There's other leaks in this.
Exactly.
Surely.
Okay, we'll get that sorted. Well, is this the end of the Corolla?
This
So
is
we
the-
move the turbo up the top?
End of Mark 1, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely. This quite clearly does not work.
Yeah. We're the poor design. We're just going for cheap and
Yeah,
easy. But
cheap and easy does not really. I
Always
mean, it
needs
works
to be-
for a little bit.
all in all, good success on 3 PSI for a couple,
Yeah,
like little laps.
little
but
laps. I think I say maybe 4.
Yeah, if
Yeah,
the
for a bit.
turbo was moved up and the seals were good, then she
Yeah.
would have lasted way longer. But
So now we're going to make a new manifold or
Yeah.
buy one of some sorts.
I think you can. Maybe a 4A related one.
Who knows? Might be able to make one.
Yeah.
Just cut a couple flanges out,
Yeah.
that it up, and then just
And then quite low, just
cut
make
those
that
ones off, and then flip that, and put it back on. So
Yeah, something along those
Yeah.
lines.
do something like that. Oil everywhere. Corolla shitty pants.
Quite literally.
Quite literally.
Oh,
Okay.
well, that was a good
We'll,
one. But there is bigger future plans.
bigger future
that's
plans.
for sure.
We didn't think this is how this was going to end, but
I want to have another go.
Yeah.
We got to make the most of this motor. We can't leave it here, take it out, put it in the corner.
No. Okay. So it is.
Sweet.
Alright, catch us later.
Later, Mark.
Oh, mate, you gotta watch our YouTube. Oh, Bad Fab.
Oh no, we're here again. God damn it. Round 2, rendition 2 needs to happen. Oh, whoa, this lag. Sorry, my bad. Try not to crash. Ah!